So today I'm in Miyajima, and I came here quite early because I'm alone, so I could pop up on the first train to come here as soon as possible. And I have a plan to shoot a lot of pictures, and I brought with me my A7IV, but also my Fuji X-E4 and also my Ricoh, and I have ambitions to make 3 videos of shooting with each different setup throughout the day here. I don't know if it will happen, but so far I've been shooting for about 1 hour. I'm enjoying my time, and yeah, I hope to get cool pictures, cool footage, and let's see what I can make. Let's have a quick break and keep on shooting. Advice for when you use zoom lenses would be to try to consider it almost like a set of different prime lenses. Instead of looking at the scene, bringing your camera up to your eye and then trying to zoom in and out to see what works best for this shot, you should analyze the scene beforehand and try to envision the shot in your head and try to decide what focal length would work best in that scenario. Once you've decided that maybe 50mm would work fine, set your zoom lens to 50mm and only after that bringing the camera up to your your eye. Lastly, of course, you could adjust a little bit like 5mm in or out, but the idea is to be intentional as much as possible when using a zoom lens, so you don't fall into the trap of just staying at the same spot and zoom in and out. If you manage to do so, you could benefit from almost all the best of both worlds from the prime and the zoom lenses. I'm curious to know what you think of all the video clips and especially the photos that I showed during this video. We often hear that the Sony color science is not that good, but I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. They've all been edited with my presets as a starting point and some minor tweaks for each photo that took me maybe 10 seconds. Looking forward to your feedback, and we catch up in the next one. Bye!